happy birthday, Kuya. Enjoy your day. Thank you for everything. We love you.
Never knew no classroom, been working here since age 10. Until the day the boss offered up the world to never forget.
Happy birthday, Kuya! I wish you all the happiness in the world and I feel so blessed to have you as my Kuya. Enjoy your day. Love you. Happy birthday, Kuya Wade!
So happy birthday, and I wish you have a healthy life and more, more blessings to come. So I know malayo pang mararating ni Wade. So happy birthday, Wade! Palakpakan naman natin si Wade.
Happy birthday, Wade. Thank you for inviting us to on your special day. I hope this year ahead have a lot of blessings in store for you.
And now here we are tonight. Bago mag-lockdown, nagsasama-sama tayo, and thank you so much for coming.
Ready as I'm ever gonna be.
I just want to say for now how much Mama loves you so much, and I am really, really, really proud of you. I love you, anak, and thank you so much for all your sacrifices.
Ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay po tayo. Ang batang nagpatunay na ang katigasan ng ulo ay hindi lahat mali. Minsan nagiging tama sa paraan na gusto natin at paraan na paano natin gagawing tama ang isang pagkamali. Alright?
The sun is out, the water's still.
Anak, patawarin mo ako sa mahabang panahon na alam ko na kailangan mo ko pero wala ako doon. Anak, sorry talaga. May mga bagay tayo na hindi natin pwedeng ibalik kasi maliit na andun na. Proud pa rin ako sa'yo talaga. Proud ako.
Trying to find a hole in the eyes.
Hi Wade, happy birthday. First of all, thank you for having me as your photographer in this one-of-a-kind celebration. And trivia lang, si Wade yung kaibigan ko na super generous, super bait. Sobrang unbothered niya sa lahat ng bagay. Sobrang chill lang siya. Kaya deserve mo lahat ng blessings na meron ka. Happy birthday, my baby boy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Wade! Happy birthday, Wade! Happy birthday, Wade!
Happy birthday, Wade!
Happy birthday, Wade. Keep on reaching the stars.
Thank you dahil naging kaibigan ka na. And happy birthday.
You deserve everything that you have right now. Ayun, wish you the best.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the celebrant. Sabay-sabay nating palakpakan, Wade Rainier Bagnas.
Maraming thank you para hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-express yung gratitude ko tonight sa lahat ng nagpunta, kahit dun sa mga hindi nagpunta, and understandable yun for me kung ba't hindi kayo nakapunta, and dun sa mga nagpunta, sobrang maraming salamat.